Hey, we're gonna learn together tutorial on a formula on Microsoft Excel, how to count blank. Okay, that's a formula on Microsoft Excel that is used to count blank. How many blank cells on Microsoft Excel, all the data that you want to count. For example, we have data like this. There are names, gender, criteria, and status. Okay, so on the cells of genders as a genders column, there are blank cells. The number of names are 15, but on the gender columns there are also some blank cells, so we need to count about this. So this is very helpful to count how many blank cells that we need to input, okay, to fill. And manually you can use like this as a blank cells. You can make mark, make mark by giving colors like this, but I think you will take much time if you do manually about it. So Microsoft Excel has a formula about count blank, to count as a formula to count the blank cells on the Microsoft Excel automatically, not manually, not one by one. Okay, I will give it a name, blank data. So here it's at white of the cells, and then equal to sign is a count blank, open the brackets, and range which columns that you want to count the blank cells as a B2 until B16. Blow all of this column and then close the brackets and enter. So blank data or blank cells on B2 until B16 as a gender column are 6. Okay, hopefully this might be useful. Good luck for trying. It's a short tutorial about to help you to count the blank cells that you have on your data. So see you soon on the next video and the next tutorial. Bye bye.